This gold weight interactive calculator solves a critical engineering problem, accurately determining the mass of gold components, based on their geometry and purity, or working backwards from known parameters to find missing dimensions or purity values. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. You can select rectangular bar weight, cylindrical rod weight, spherical nugget weight, custom volume weight, dimensions from weight, or purity from weight and volume. Let's demonstrate using rectangular bar weight mode. For rectangular bars, you'll enter 3 dimensions. The length field accepts values in millimeters. Let's use 100. The width field, also in millimeters, will enter 50. The height field completes our dimensions. Let's put 10. Finally, select the purity from the drop-down menu, which offers 24K at 99.9% pure, 22K at 91.7% pure, 18K at 75.0% pure, 14K at 58.3% pure, or 10K at 41.7% pure. We'll select 18K for this example. With these inputs, a 100 by 50 by 10 millimeter bar of 18 karat gold, the calculator instantly computes the weight. For these dimensions, you're looking at approximately 723 grams. The calculator determines this by first calculating the volume in cubic centimeters, then applying the density of gold adjusted for the selected purity level. The output values represent the actual mass you'll measure on a precision scale, accounting for the reduced density of gold alloys compared to pure gold. This is essential for material cost estimation, shipping calculations, and quality control verification. One critical mistake to avoid: always verify your unit consistency. Mixing millimeters with inches will produce completely erroneous results. Find the link in the description below.